Hi and welcome again to Take It Out. Today I have a small application for you. It's something that I've had for many years and I find it very useful, and I think maybe some of you would find it useful as well. It's called Sound Switch, and its purpose is to switch between two input devices. So if you, like me, have two different microphones, a desk microphone and a gaming headset microphone, you can easily switch between the two. Now you might say, okay, you can do that by going into your little sound bar there and clicking on recording devices. Brings up the little recording devices box and you can choose one and set as default. But that's just a lot of hassle to go through just to switch from one microphone to the other, and you've got to go through it all again to switch back to the other microphone when you finish. Now there are several sound switch applications out there, but a lot of them I find seem to have a lot of files in them, which I'm not sure why they're necessary, as this particular application just has the one executable. It has a small INI file, and there's some information in there about the application as well. But the actual thing itself is just this one exe file. Now this is a x64 version. I don't have the x86 and I can't find this application anywhere anymore. I can't find it to download. If you find it, please let me know, but I can't find it anywhere. So I've put it up on MediaFire for you to download. I've used it for many years. I found no problem with it. There's no virus or Trojan or anything in it that I can find. I've scanned it with many scanners and nothing has come up. If you're worried about it, of course, do scan it yourself, or indeed if you think it may be a problem, don't use it. Simple as that. I, of course, have been using it for many years, and as I said, I found no problem. One quick thing about the MediaFire website: when you click on the download button to download the file, you will probably find it'll pop up another browser window with some software advertisement. I would avoid clicking on this and downloading these advertised software applications, as they do tend to be quite, well, dangerous to your system often. I would suggest those browser windows that pop up should be just closed and left alone. The other programs, or apps as they call them these days, have several files, and this just has the one. So how do you install it? Well, it's very easy. You just take this folder after you've unzipped it from the zip file and put it into your programs directory, and then once you've done that, you can either right click on the exe file and then send to desktop and create a shortcut. So you just double click the shortcut and it executes the file and puts the little icon in the bar there, or you can put it in your startup folder and it'll start up with your system. So how do you configure it? Well, again, very straightforward. You right click on the file and you've got configure source and output. You go to configure source, source one, and then choose the source. There's my gaming headset for the first source, and on the second source you have my mini studio. More about that in another video. The output just stays as your default output. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click on the icon once and it switches to the other input. So if you're using your desktop microphone, you click it, you go to your headset microphone. Click it again, you go to your desktop microphone. And it's as simple as that. It really is as simple as that. It's, again, something that Windows should really have built in. If you can find it and I've missed it somewhere, please let me know. But until then, I'm going to still use Sound Switch, and perhaps maybe this will be of use to some of you as well, and you will use it also. Again, thank you for watching.